Simple evaluations. iSpec has two different types of evaluations, simple and advanced. In the advanced evaluations, the headings are scored as a group. In the simple evaluations, the headings are scored individually, and given either a technical score, commercial score, or both. Firstly, select the vendors to shortlist. After vendors have been shortlisted, the alert icons will show next to the document to indicate it has items that need accepting. Open the document, and all the headings that need accepting will have an alert icon, and be highlighted red. Go through the document and accept each item. After accepting the item, the heading in the tree will change from red to orange. This is to indicate that item has not yet been scored. Underneath the acceptance checkbox, either enter a technical or commercial score. In this document there are both. After the score has been entered, click the Update Evaluation button. The heading will now change to black to show it is complete. An optional comment can be added for each score, and an overall scoring comment can also be added. Go through the document and accept all the items, and enter a score. When all of the headings are black, everything has been accepted and scored. Go through each document, accepting and scoring each item for each vendor. The links at the top of the document lets us quickly accept all compliant items and assign a maximum score. We can also batch accept all items in the document. From the tender overview screen, we can also accept all compliant items, assign a maximum score, or accept all items in all documents for selected or all vendors, using the batch tools. When all of the items in each document have been accepted and scored, the alert icon next to the document name will disappear. Scroll down to the Reports section, and open the Bid Evaluation Report. This report will show the current scores for each vendor, as well as non-compliant and negotiation stats. We can also see a breakdown by opening up the scoring report. By default it will show the total scores for each document and each vendor. Click the document name to get more detailed information for the vendor responses. When all of the documents are complete and scored, the tender can be awarded.